Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to clear recent conversations on Snapchat. So open Snapchat, then click your profile in the top left, then go to settings in the top right. Then what you need to do here is to scroll down and look for privacy controls. Once you see it, you should see clear data. Select that. So here you have a lot of options. What you want to do is to select clear conversations in the top. So here you can see a list of your recent chats. So tap the X next to the person, tap on X icon next to their name, and tap on clear to confirm the action, and the conversation will be deleted. So this removes the conversation from your chat feed, but it does not delete saved messages, sent snaps, or chat history stored by Snapchat. If the person sends you a new message, the conversation will reappear. So to delete messages you've sent, you can go back to the chat conversation. You can press and hold the chat, then tap on chat and notification settings, then tap on clear from chat feed, then tap on clear again, and it will be deleted just like so. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.